Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Anome Protocol tokens on Binance Alpha. So Anome Protocol just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video step by step. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So first you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search Anome like this. You can search it in alpha, in the alpha tab, and there is the token. You can click it, and this is the charge. So from the charge perspective, it's not really good, but maybe there is some opportunities if you want to risk it. But this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research, and you can click info here in the top. You will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume, it's not bad, 80 million, and there are 1 billion Anome token. You can also check their social media and their website. And if you want to buy it, you can just click right here in the bottom, and you will find limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy like this and the amount. Also, you can choose instant buy. You can swap your USDT or other token to Anome token. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.